this video you will see how to join two airdrop that is called people Ethereum stores airdrop and hyper liquid airdrop. So pretty much viral airdrop, everyone is, maybe majority people is joined, those are doing airdrop in their daily life. So I will show you these two. So first thing first, you need to go through this link that I put on the on telegram post. So if you want to get this type of link, you need to come into comment box to check our telegram link. So you can as well check this channel description for getting this link. So click on like button, share button, do subscribe, and after that click on this link and copy that and paste that your extension browser where you will do airdrop, where your Galaxy account has set up. Okay, now paste here that exact link that as you copied from my telegram. So and after that wait here a few minutes, it will come into walkthrough into their website, Glax website, where their quest has existed. So if it is not work, click on there and again paste everything, just do over and over again if you get any defeat, obstacles or hardship. Okay, now it is loading and I will everything will share with you how do you join here. So if maybe you have Ethereum transaction inside of your EVM address, so let's say I've already done this account, I don't want to do this multiple way. So and after going through that link, it will bring into inside of your browser. Your browser is already extension this, you know okay, your extension is like these apps. So just try to do that where has Chrome extension open. Okay, so already what is the process, like web3 application that is can be connected with web3 wallet. And pretty much here I've already done this thing. If you have Ethereum transaction, it will number one, that will be automatically done, and after that follow them and quiz here, a quiz and service you will get from our telegram here. So now and after that fill from this link, and if it is not work, I will suggest you don't do that, no problem, just do you did relax task, bam. So number two, hyper, that is pretty much imaging. So now what should you do, just copy this link and go your extension browser. I already did that and I will show you another account, another way, that thing. So click on that link and paste that exact link that as you copied from my from our telegram channel, and they will walk through their website. There is hyperliquid where people buy short, long short, this type of thing they do there. And whatever, you need to use their website. So first thing first, connect, click on there. MetaMask already get notify, and yeah, MetaMask is loading here, and put your password MetaMask that you, when you covered add extension on your browser, you put that password onto MetaMask at that time. So now which account you will um, use that account. I will use number 4, that's pretty much because while I do multiple account at that time therefore I am like using this thing like doing multiple. So okay, I'm doing reject this thing. Maybe one project when I did, I get interrupted at that time. So switch network to Arbitrum Sopila and come back. hyperliquid here, and click on agreement, accept them, and after that join with that community and click that course button. Now you are in their website. Don't take that complicated way, hard way. Don't take this serious way. Nothing serious here. You don't need to do any fucking trade. You need to just click on three dot option and come into faucet option and climb Ethereum from faucet. Click on there, and after that they notify you that they sent you or not. Yes, faucet successfully climbed. And after that, climb 100 mock USDC, and when you click that, already that is send you both of his color with shadow. You already get this thing. Now what you need to do, you need to come into here MetaMask. Now just you need to deposit your thing. Okay, confirm, and here you get your Ethereum that you will use their apps, not apps, you will use their website for getting airdrop, for checking them up. They are like this website that exactly we are using. They build in one, like couple of maybe team has built this website, like trading website here. So why they give you this testnet, their audience, because they want to see that app is there any problem has inside of this website. Therefore they give us this type of testnet airdrop. Why? Because already you know that using their website, after when they got into mainnet, everybody like get hyper token, and not every, yeah, those are used there this website. They get hyper token maybe. So, and as well as they put now this faucet for using their website, for saying that is there any fault, any lag, any problem has of this website. For that they provide you testnet. So anyways, however, we will now do trade. So first thing first, go to trade option, and here is if you click on buy long and your token is not yet added here, maybe everything is 00. If you show, we can see now. So now we need to go portfolio and click on established connection, confirm in wallet, and MetaMask is get notify, and MetaMask will, not MetaMask, it's you will suggest them to use every balance using in their website. So sign, click on there, it is the digital signing. So click on there and deposit, click on there, and you have 100 USDC. Okay, USDC. So deposit, click on there and go to here, you will get a notify, click on there, and after that MetaMask is loading. So confirm, click on there, and yeah, that's added. Go again, hyperliquid here. Now you can do trade here, pretty much same thing, that is long and short buy. So go to trade option, buy long, and here if you notice that here 100 USDT is added here. So I will use now 1x leverage. So nothing take complicatedly, I said. You can use anyway, you don't need to copy me. I'm just showing you how do you see that. So you can use anyway, just use their website. Okay, that is test. Okay, nothing else, don't take complicated way. Okay, so USDT. Now I will fill up all of and take profit, or you cannot think that seriously, just place order and buy long. Buy long mean if Ethereum price is increased, you will get profit from there. Okay, that's pretty much. So go to portfolio, Here you are seeing that your position, funding margin, liquidity price, PNL. Your volume is 99. Yeah, there is go to trade again. If you click on sell short and full and click on place order, sell short, and if Ethereum price decrease, you will get profit. Sell short mean, okay. Now go to portfolio to see your everything, and this is the way you can do thing. The more your volume, the more you will get token, the more you get point. So here you will see your point. Every certain time you will get update from here. So now what should we do? Go to trade again, buy long, and I will use here leverage, 50x leverage. I said nothing take seriously, reduce only, and take this thing, place order, buy long, order submitted. Go to portfolio to see your volume. Now if you see volume, that your volume is 399. Okay, so now trade. If you buy long now, you have just $99. If you sell short, same, buy long, click on there, take profit, stop loss, place not enough margin, buy long. Now if you noticed, your portfolio, that here your volume is so much, but your PNL is minus 3.95. so again, go to trade, just use their website. I don't need to see over and over again this thing. I get profit, $200 I get. So sell short, okay, take profit, if it price would be 355 and sell price would be 3556. Sell short, order submitted. If you go portfolio, your PNL so much positive. Your PNL is positive now. If you noticed, your PNL size about average price, okay. Now your PNL is $2.24 profit. So yeah, this is the thing. Just use their website. Anyways, your volume now 15,406. The more volume, the more token. My post is saying here, more volume equal more tokens. So anyways, see you later in the next time. Until that, happy hunting. So like button, share button, subscribe button, notice that, okay.